Hola amigos, bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Hoy les enseñaré a conseguir las cosas del evento del Super Bowl. Empezamos el video en unos momentos. Gente, cuando termine el contador podrás ir al evento y te va a aparecer algo. Todavía no me aparece, pero vas a ver en el momento que va a aparecer lo del minuto. El minuto 2 dice que ya va a empezar. Bueno, todavía no empieza, pero en el minuto dice minuto 2, entonces en un momento va a empezar. Hay objetos que yo pensé que se conseguían en este mismo evento. Pensé que los tocabas y te los daban, pero no, son cosas diferentes que puedes conseguir. Yo te les enseño más objetos. Este objeto no se puede conseguir en esta experiencia, sino en otra experiencia que se llama gratis, no sé cómo se llama. Se consigue en otro evento. Y eso se consigue en el mismo evento que vamos a ver. Estos botas se consiguen en el mismo evento que el del pelo. Y las alas se consiguen con el collar incluido. Las alas tienes que conseguir 6 letras, creo. Y el collar cuando acabe el evento. Es lo que creo que es lo que necesitamos. Cuando el contador llegue a 0, les va a aparecer. Y esta nos va a dejar acá. Y creo que nos va a abrir algo.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Sweetie. And thank you so much for being my backup dancers for the Roblox Super Bowl show. I know that's right. So before I continue, we got 3 dance moves, okay? When I pose, you pose. And when I hop,
dice que la acompañemos para que vayamos al evento.
And when I pop,
y creo que me va a abrir la puerta.
Are y'all ready?
Sí, señor. Ya me quiero ir, ya, rápido. Rápido, gente, rápido. Ahí se abrió la puerta, chat. Ahí se abre. Y creo que nos vamos a... Aquí es donde vamos a estar. Necesitamos conseguir 6.
Getting money, get rich, baby, tap in.
2 letras.
Tap in. MLB, I see gang, better tap in. Tap in. Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag at 8 figures. Face on fatty, pockets on. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder. Private villa in the far chinchilla. When you post me, all the get sicker. I don't need fillers. Never been a lame, so the real chick feel it. Daddy on the FaceTime, you can never take mine. End up on a dateline, rich with no day job. Keep your wild, always on the course side, Low waist, fat, baby, tap in. Tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, better tap in. Tap in. Getting money, get rich, baby, tap in. Tap in. MLB, I see gang, better tap in. Yeah, tap in. Gotta get these bitty rights. Pretty in the fight. Never let a broke take you.
Bueno, siguiente parte del Super Bowl que vamos a seguir. Y
we take a nice little road trip from sunny Arizona to my hometown with a nice cool breeze in the air. Welcome to the Bay
en el video de Crash no vi letras. Acá es. Yo pensé que nunca tenemos que ir manejando.
Let me tell you about this chick. I'm from the West Coast, light skin, baby hairs. I heard I do the most. I swear I'm so sedity. I can't be approached. If I tell her basic, then I gotta go. What's that in my cup? That's that potion. Rubbing honey's on my skin like it's lotion. Sitting courtside with my lotion. Presidential rolling on me like I'm voting. Smelling like a rich, I'm too cold. I don't do the nosebleeds, I want flow seat. I'm only with a that can coach me. I wasn't raised by IG, but the OGs. If you miss the old me, then you ain't know me. The Baccarat too trendy, so I'm out. I hit the club and get some ones and then I toast it. The air pounds for my family, I done salted. The pretty girls on here that start a mouse pit. Oh, you need a boss chick? Real gon' pay what it costs quick. Long nails only get the toe tips. That ain't mad, girl, that's icing on my lips. Oh, you need really get the toe tips. That ain't mad, girl, that's icy on my lips. Hey, I went out and stayed downtown my house. Pretty, pull up to my shop. Now and six, always popping. Pretty, get rich.
Bueno, gente, aquí seguimos. Vamos a seguir esta parte del Super Bowl. Última parte de esta parte. Creo que ahí te creo.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be. Judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Stacking paper steadily so I can live in luxury. Looking in the mirror, I thank God for what I'm about to be. You beefing with my enemy, does not make you a friend of me. Girl, so weird, stay clear, I'm living drama free. Never living comfortably, got a lot of goals to me. My team is trying to eat, so we grinding so I'm mentally. You trying to get a bag, I'm trying to get a bag a week. Put it in my savings and invest in the right companies. My dream is like a child, and I'm taking all the custody. Obstacles be slowing me, but that buffer molding me. So I take my time, cause I'm always where I'm supposed to be. Keep my close to me, cause I know when they go for me. You cannot get a hold of me, I'm probably in a soul of me. Always making moves, man, that's how I keep my sanity. Yeah, it's my team summer. Couple setbacks, bounce back and recover. The clip real small, but we making big moves. And we headed to the top so we can get a better view.
Pusimos el emblema de las alas.
I'ma catch a tan overseas while I'm out the country. Let me get some while I'm chilling on the beach. I'ma count a couple G's, let the server bring receipts. Double checking my expenses, never messy, always neat, never ever. Ask how a hot girl do it. Number one stunner, icy girl with a cash money mama that be dining in Bahamas, eating fettuccine pasta with the scallops and the lobsters. I don't got no time for these fools speaking on my name like I'm someone that they know. I'm the big cat, big guess you love me. Is that Gucci on my feet? It might be.
Aquí estaba. Muchas gracias.